Taught across 7 modules by a project management expert, this course will familiarize you with the philosophy and benefits of AgilePM. You'll start with an introduction to Agile project management before moving on to the dynamic systems development method. You'll also learn the principles, roles, responsibilities, processes, and approach of the DSDM and how they create value in Agile projects. Once you begin training, you'll have access to over an hour's worth of course material. The course is also fully accredited. Our courses are not only mobile and tablet responsive, but they can also work offline via a mobile app, which means you can study on the go, wherever you are. Learning tips are included to help you remember key points that will appear on exams, and we also provide downloadable exercises throughout the course. Practice exams are available for when you finish the course. You'll also get complimentary access to our learning environment, where you'll find statistics and reports to track your progress along the way. And don't worry, we'll be on hand with expert support for when you need help, so contact us anytime. Want to find out more? Try a free trial or speak to a member of the team today.